Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to upload purchase bill irrespective of the control policy. So let's move on to the purchase module. From here, we can just create a new RFQ. Upon clicking on new, you will be moving on to the form view of request for quotation and where you can fill out the details of the vendor. Let's say the vendor is ready-made and I just want to add different products over here which is having the control policy based on delivered quantity and ordered quantity. So I'll be considering aquatic block screen. Now as you just move on to the internal link of the aquatic block screen, you can set the control policy. Right now we just need to set the variance. So let's say the variant wood is aquatic block screen with the variant wood, and let's confirm it. And once it's done, we can just move on to the internal link of the product. So let's move on to the internal link of the product. Now the next step is that we just need to move on to the purchase tab. Under there, you can set the control policy. So the control policy is based on on received quantity. Now we can also just consider another product which is having the control policy as ordered quantity. And let me choose the other item. Let's say April sprites, and let's move on to the internal link, and you can just move on to the purchase tab where you can see that it has a control policy based on ordered quantity. Once it's done, let's move back to the RFQ, and we just need to confirm this RFQ so that the RFQ will be moving from RFQ state to the purchase order, and we just need to receive the item in the stock. Or if you want to just print this RFQ, you can print that. So let's say we are printing the RFQ. So the download is being 10. Now what we have to do is we just need to upload the bill. So if I just want to upload the bill, let's move on to upload bill over here. And under downloads, you can find the bill which is downloaded. Okay. So here you can see that the bill which is downloaded. Let's search for the bill. Yeah, you can find it, and let's open the bill. So once you upload the bill here, you can see that we can just manage with the billing of the billing of the bill. And here upon clicking on confirm, you can see that the bill will be moving from draft state to the posted state. And if you want to make payment for this, you can click on pay, and you can see that one of the product is having the control policy as ordered quantity, and the other one is having the control policy as received. So regardless of this control policy, we can just do the payment over here. So let's make the payment using the create payment. So after the reconciliation, the payment will be moving to the bank, and here in payment, ribbon will be changing to the paid ribbon. So I hope this video way informative for you, and if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.